Hi everyone, I just wanted to take a second to introduce our Module 3 to you. Module 3 is going to cover cell structures and functions. So basically each of our cells is made up of a bunch of different little organelles or tiny organs. They each have their own individual function that goes towards um, doing all the daily work of that specific cell. So you guys are going to learn about each of those individual parts. The one that you probably remember from your last bio course is the mitochondria. Everyone always remembers that as the powerhouse or where energy is made in the cell. There's a lot more going on inside the cell than just the mitochondria. So you guys will learn about the cell membrane and its functions, how it allows substances in and out of the cell, as well as the differences in the different types of cells. So no two cells are made exactly the same. Plant cells and animal cells have many similarities, but also some very key differences. So whereas an animal cell is much more fluid and only has a pliable cell membrane, those plant cells are going to have a more rigid cell wall, which is why they're able to make some of those harder structures like plant bark and things of that nature. So, you guys will go through Module 3, same as the first two modules. All of your assignments for Module 3 are going to be due on June 18th at 11:59 p.m. So make sure to go ahead and mark that due date in your calendar and get to work on these assignments. There would be assignments on Connect as well as here on Moodle, just as the other two modules. And as you work through this material, please don't hesitate to reach out and ask if you have any questions at all. Sometimes some of these structures in our cells can be a little confusing, so if that's the case, don't stress too much. Just feel free to reach out and I will be happy to help.